Good morning, preschool friends. How is everyone today? Are you having an awesome Tuesday so far? Well, I sure am. I'm so excited because today I'm going to be reading Bear Snores On. And check out this ginormous book. I love big books. They're a little bit difficult to read them, but they're so much fun. They're so big. I love it. All right. Bear Snores On. Let's see what this book is about. I have to read it like this and then show you the pictures, okay, friends? In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. There's that great big brown bear. Whoa! Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl. But the bear sleeps on. He's sleeping. Sleepy bear. Oh, goodness. And itty bitty mouse, pitter pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks. Too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. That's our little mouse. He's making a little fire to keep warm. How cute. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop. But the bear snores on. What a sleepy bear. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. All in the bear's cave. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. Sleepy bear, a badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch. But the bear sleeps on. Sleepy bear. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Wow, that den is getting a little crowded, huh, friends? They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Looks like they're dancing. How fun. Hare stokes the fire and Mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. What do you think he's gonna do? Achoo! See, friends, we say that loud because the words are super big. Achoo, achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh. Wonder if the bear will be mad. Let's see. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Everyone is running away. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Oh, he's so sad. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." He was sad. He missed the party. I would be so sad too if I missed a party at my house. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear, he can't sleep. but his friends snore on. And that is the end of Bear Snores On. That is such a fun story, don't you guys think? I love, love, love Bear Snores On. All right, everyone, I hope you have an awesome, awesome Tuesday. Have a great day, and I will talk to you guys later.